Hi, Valentine. I'm going to break up the different tasks into individual screencasts so that they can be a lot easier to just digest. All right, the first task is going to be um, the single places link. So when you go into any neighborhood, I'll just pick Logan Circle. When you go into any neighborhood, you already know that there is a list of places as well. This is the list of neighborhoods. But when we actually get into a neighborhood, like Logan Circle, then there's also going to be a link for places to live. And that's right here. And every neighborhood, as you know, has this link. So when you click it, it compiles the list of all the places that have been input um, as places in the taxonomy. So if, just to refresh your memory, um, here in the back end, we have places. So you would add a new place here. So if you should just going to add places, but each of these places, like if I were to click into any of the places, they have checked off on their taxonomy where they need to go. And this one goes on Logan Circle. So that's where all of these places are being pulled from. They're the custom post type for place. And as long as they check what neighborhood it's in, it will appear in that neighborhood. So what's happening now is that this used to work, and ever since you fixed the other problem where you would click history again and it would take you back to Adams Morgan, now when you click a place, for example, so you have to actually get into a place. Now this link right here, back to places, this one doesn't work anymore. When I click it, it doesn't take me back to Logan Circle's list of places. Instead, it just takes me back to Adams Morgan. And it shows me all of the places that exist on the entire site. Right now you only see 28 because it's cut off at 28. Um, but and that's definitely not the way it's supposed to work. So that's what I need fixed in this one. Again, to go into any neighborhood. So once you fix it once, it'll work on all of them. But the problem is you go into a neighborhood, you go into places to live. Okay, so once you're on this page once you're on this page, when you click, once you're inside of a place, inside of a place. So right now I'm at 1115 12th Street, and this page is all about this place. When I click back to places, it takes me to Adams Morgan. So it needs to just take me back. When I click this, it just needs to take me back to its neighborhood. It doesn't have to be Logan Circle. It just depends on what neighborhood you're in. After you click on any place, it has to go back to its parent neighborhood. That's what I want to say. So like if I click on this place now, when I click back to places, it has to go back to its parent place. So this is a child place of this parent neighborhood. So if I were on, just to make this very clear, if I were on a different neighborhood, like this one, and I went to, I don't know if this has any places, so, and I went to places to live, and I went into the black room, when I click back to places, I want to go back to its parent neighborhood, in this case, Brooklyn. Okay, so that's the first task. And this one's actually pretty important because this is a main function that everyone's going to use.